Is that your heartbeat?
Yeah.
What's the problem?
I just don't know what's in the package and it just gets me nervous.
It's just a package. I open them all the time. What the
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby
So I actually
is
picked up some
big.
shoes that have already released. This is different to me, man. You know, usually this is very different to me. Shout out to my people over at Fire Laces for holding me down. Now, this is actually a pair that is sitting. These are sitting everywhere. These are available everywhere. And I've still been getting questions about them. People have asked my opinion. I don't know. I just kind of skipped over this shoe. You know, it is springtime. Jordan Brand has been dropping a lot of springtime colorways. Some of them are a little extra. Some of them are fire. You know, they got some Jordan 1s that are coming soon that are just ridiculous, man. I've seen pictures surface all over. I can't wait for them to drop. But right here, what I do have, retail $175. Resale was probably like $2 something at one point when they released, obviously. I'll just let you guys be the judge. The Air Jordan 11 Emerald, Iridescent, whatever you want to call it, I did pick these up in a size 12. Now, this shoe did drop March 31st, I believe. Like I said, retail was $130. Again, Jordan 11 lows. You know, I talked about the cool grays, which I don't even know if they've dropped yet. They haven't came out yet. But if you haven't seen that video, click the annotation above, check it out. But here we have it, the Iridescent 11. This is one shoe that, you know, I was really iffy on. I was like, man, do I want it? Is it ugly? Is it dope? And the people have spoken! And this shoe is sitting everywhere. You can pick it up at your local Finish Line. You can pick it up at your Foot Locker. You can pick it up everywhere for retail, which is nice. You know, it's always nice every once in a while to be able to see a review of a shoe and decide if you want it or not. Now, I do need to do it on foot, but first let's get my own impressions of the shoe. I feel like it's one shoe that I need to give a chance. I mean, obviously I bought it, so if that doesn't say anything, I don't know what does. I don't know if they wrap all their shoes. Every shoe that I've gotten from Fire Lace has usually been in the wrapping. I guess there's no question to ask, but it is stock though.
Running through these checks till I pass out. This shorty give me neck.
So here is the shoe. You can see the emerald green, whatever. It's kind of crazy. Like, you can barely see it. It looks black. Like, it just looks like it does have a patent leather black, but I'm guessing in different lighting, there we go. You know, you get that emerald green, Easter 11. Then of course you have the iridescent sole, carbon fiber. But the real question is quality, and they put that butter leather on there. Jordan Brand is always doing this. For the shoes that are sleepers, you know, the shoes that are sitting on shelves, they're usually, for the most part, good quality. And then it's like the shoe that doesn't sell out, it just has the hype behind it, or, you know, it's a classic colorway. It does sell out, but the quality isn't there. I don't know why they keep doing this. I don't know what the scheme behind it all is, but this is actually a really good quality shoe. I'm gonna be honest, I guarantee you'll be able to get these for discounted prices eventually. If they're sitting, they're gonna go on clearance soon. I'm sure they probably have at some places, but this is actually a clean pickup. I'm gonna have to do an on foot, just a complete review of it, but I just wanted to show you guys I did pick these up after the release date, way after they were sitting. I decided to give them a chance, man, because I'm not gonna lie, when I initially saw them, I was like, nah bro, that's a no-go. I'm not gonna buy those. But after seeing them, this is a dope sneaker to wear during the summer, you know, springtime, summer right now, especially in LA when it's like 95 out and roasting. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at this shoe at all. This is really clean. What do you guys think, man? What do you think about Lowe's in general? You know, like, are you a big Lowe's fan? Do you not care? You know, I've mentioned I think they are girly. I do think Lowe's look good on girls, but you know, some days are hot and I don't mind pulling out my Lowe's. Especially the cool gray 11s, like those were way better on foot. You know, when I actually wore them out to an event, I was like, wow, these are actually popping. I almost preferred them over the high top. I think the one thing about the 11 lows is that, you know, they're not as bulky as a high top. You know, you're not wearing a big brick. It's just kind of smaller, simpler. Seems like Jordan Brand is dropping a lot of 1s and a lot of 11 lows. I don't know what's up with that, but I guess this is the year of 11s and 1s. Could you see yourself picking these up on discount? Because I'm sure that's where they're headed, let's be honest. I'll make sure to bring you guys an on-foot review here soon. That way you can get a little more perspective and kind of see. It's a little hard to see the lighting. This really looks like a Concord 11 on the camera. So yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. Most recently, man, if you guys can do me a huge favor, you know where you subscribe and there's a little bell right there? You have to click that bell in order to get notified, because I would say 460,000 of you guys don't get notified.
Down.
Honestly, I'm not tripping anymore. But subscribers are irrelevant based on YouTube's new policy. That notification bell is more important than a subscription. So if you're into the content, do me a favor, hit that notification bell, and then comment done down below, and I'm gonna just start shouting y'all out to show my appreciation towards you. Oh yeah, and J. Cole got a new album coming, yeah. All right, man, this is your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you in the next one. Run it.
Hands in the air.
Yo, thank you guys so much for watching, man. If you could check out this video or check out this video, I definitely appreciate it. Yeah.